Pamuka Wealth Empire presents the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Welcome back to Pamuka Wealth Empire. I'm Patrick, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? Let's dive into this fascinating world and uncover its secrets. In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security. This means that it relies on complex mathematical algorithms to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. Cryptography ensures that these transactions are secure and that the currency cannot be easily counterfeited or manipulated. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or the euro, cryptocurrencies operate on a technology called blockchain and are decentralized, meaning no single entity controls them. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology that records all transactions across a network of computers. This decentralized nature makes cryptocurrencies resistant to censorship and fraud, providing a level of transparency and security that is unparalleled in the financial world. Quick question for you all. Have you ever used cryptocurrency before? Whether it's for investing, making purchases, or simply exploring the technology, cryptocurrencies offer a unique experience. They allow for peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks, which can result in lower fees and faster transaction times. Let us know in the comments below. We are curious to hear about your experiences and thoughts on this revolutionary technology. Have you faced any challenges, or do you see potential in the future of digital currencies? Your feedback is invaluable as we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrencies work through a technology known as blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public ledger, a book where every transaction is recorded. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs, it is added to the blockchain. This makes it incredibly secure and transparent. Have you heard of blockchain technology before watching this video? Comment below with your answer. Let's talk about some of the key players in the cryptocurrency world. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we think about money and transactions, offering a decentralized and secure method of transferring value. With thousands of cryptocurrencies available today, it can be overwhelming to know which ones are the most significant. Here we'll highlight a few that have made a substantial impact. The first and most well-known is Bitcoin, created by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto in 2009. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency to successfully implement a decentralized ledger using blockchain technology. It has become synonymous with the term cryptocurrency, and is often referred to as digital gold due to its limited supply and store of value properties. Bitcoin's influence on the market is undeniable, and it continues to be the most valuable and widely recognized cryptocurrency. Then there's Ethereum, which not only offers a cryptocurrency but also a platform for building decentralized applications. Launched in 2015 by Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. This innovation has opened up a world of possibilities for developers, allowing them to create decentralized applications, dApps, that run on the Ethereum blockchain. Ethereum's versatility and robust developer community have made it a cornerstone of the cryptocurrency ecosystem. Other notable mentions include Ripple, Litecoin, and Cardano. Ripple, also known as XRP, focuses on enabling fast and low-cost international money transfers, making it popular among financial institutions. Litecoin, created by Charlie Lee in 2011, is often referred to as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, offering faster transaction times and a different hashing algorithm. Cardano, founded by Charles Hoskinson, aims to provide a more secure and scalable platform for the development of decentralized applications and smart contracts with a strong emphasis on academic research and peer-reviewed development. Which cryptocurrency are you most interested in? Drop its name in the comments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting to explore the world of digital currencies, there's always something new to learn and discover. The cryptocurrency landscape is constantly evolving, and staying informed about the key players can help you make better investment decisions. So, what catches your eye? Is it the pioneering Bitcoin, the versatile Ethereum, or perhaps one of the other innovative cryptocurrencies? Let us know. Cryptocurrency offers several benefits, such as lower transaction fees, decentralization, and global accessibility. However, it's not without risks. The market is highly volatile and prices can fluctuate drastically. Additionally, there's the risk of hacking and regulatory challenges in many countries. What do you think is the biggest benefit of cryptocurrency? Share your thoughts with us. Blockchain technology isn't just for cryptocurrencies, it's being used across various industries. In finance, it enables faster and cheaper cross-border transactions. In supply chain management, it enhances transparency and traceability. Healthcare uses blockchain to secure patient data and ensure privacy. Can you think of any other industries where blockchain could be useful? Comment your ideas below. Interested in getting started with cryptocurrency? You're not alone. Many people are diving into this new and exciting financial frontier. But where do you begin? Here are a few steps to help you get started on your cryptocurrency journey. First, choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange, like Coinbase or Binance. These platforms allow you to buy, sell, and trade various cryptocurrencies. Research and compare their features, fees, and security measures to find the best fit for you. Next, create an account on your chosen exchange and complete any required verification. This usually involves providing identification documents to comply with regulations and ensure the security of your account. Then, set up a digital wallet to store your crypto securely. Digital wallets come in various forms, including online wallets, mobile apps, and hardware wallets. Choose one that offers the best balance of convenience and security for your needs. Finally, you can buy your first cryptocurrency and start exploring this exciting world. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of the numerous altcoins, the process is similar. Make your purchase and watch your portfolio grow. Have you already bought cryptocurrency? If yes, which one? Share your experiences and tips with others who are just starting out. Let us know in the comments. Your insights could help someone else make informed decisions and feel more confident in their cryptocurrency journey. Happy trading! The future of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology looks promising. With continued advancements and growing adoption, they have the potential to revolutionize various sectors. However, it will be crucial to address regulatory issues and ensure security. What do you think the future holds for cryptocurrency? Share your predictions with us. Thank you for joining me today on this journey through the basics of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Pamuka Wealth Empire for more insights and updates. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.